Is this only a cyber or IT job? Short answer, no. And that's good news because it means you're not handing this to one person and hoping. Cyber is absolutely part of CMMC, and your IT lead or your provider belongs in the room. But CMMC is broader than cyber alone. It's information security for defense work, and protected work moves through the whole shop. It moves through the people who quote it, the people who make it, the people who handle the paperwork, the place it's stored, and the systems it touches. So your IT lead or provider belongs in the room. They just shouldn't be left alone in the room. The operating answer, how the work actually flows, who touches it, what you already do to protect it, lives with the shop, not only with IT. Think of it less as a cyber project and more as a shop wide habit that cyber helps carry. Start by bringing the right people into the same room: leadership, quality, operations, IT, or your provider, and whoever knows how the work actually moves.